In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Freshsales with Google Ads using Zapier. This automation helps you keep your sales records updated whenever activity happens in your ad campaigns. Start by opening your web browser and going to Zapier. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Zap to begin building a new automation. First, set up the trigger. Search for Google Ads and select it as the trigger app. Choose a trigger event such as New Campaign, then connect your Google Ads account by following the authorization steps on screen. Next, move to the Action step. Select Freshsales as the Action app. Choose an action like Add Note to Contact or Create or Update Contact, depending on how you want Google Ads activity to appear inside Freshsales. Connect your Freshsales account and continue. Now you'll map the data. Match campaign details from Google Ads to the relevant fields in Freshsales so the information is recorded clearly. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it aligns with your workflow. Once that's done, run a test to confirm the Zap is working correctly. If the test is successful, turn the Zap on. That's it. You've successfully created an automation between Freshsales and Google Ads, saving time and keeping your sales data in sync automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick automation guides.